Hey there! I'm so excited to introduce you to the Elle Studio Document December 2018 kit. Your kit will come packaged in this brown paper bag, all neatly arranged so you don't have any pieces falling out. And first I'm going to start off by showing you the 6" by 8" papers. First up we have a gray and white font, then a multicolored star, a teal dot, red hearts, a pink and red candy cane stripe, a grid, a candy cane background, and some trees. So lots of different colors here. Perfect for any colorway that you would want to use. Next up, I'm going to show you the alphabet stickers. We have the hazel and a red Jane. So it's nice to have two different types of fonts in this kit. Okay, now for the 3" by 4" tags. There are so many tags in this kit. I took the product photo and I had a hard time fitting them all in, you guys. That's how many tags there are in here. So first off, I'm going to start off with the 4" by 6" tags. I love that multicolored one. I love the stars. The dark green is really pretty this year, as is the lighter green. I'm definitely a green kind of girl. I love the red and white candy cane stripe. There's a box of numbers and merry and bright. So lots of awesome 4" by 6" tags. Here's the 3" by 4". Really like the patterns this time, and I also really love the mainly journaling tags. So lots of white space there for journaling. And a few filler tags if you don't really feel like journaling, because sometimes that happens too. I love this On This Day in December tag. Remember that one for later. There's a heart. This one's really fun with the text on it. Kind of a hand-drawn stripe there. Green and white wish list. All about our Christmas tree, which is awesome to document when you go and pick up your tree, or if you just put it up. A holiday playlist, fun details. I love the favorite things tag and the candy again. Holiday gathering, hearts, another On This Day in December, and joy, love, and peace. So lots of different tags in this kit. Next up we have the die cuts. So lots of fun labels, stars, and ampersand. I love the Making Spirits Bright there. And we also have some labels, some that already have text on them, and some that you can fill in yourself, with all the fun colors of the kit included. So lots of different labels and die cuts. Next we have these shipping tags. These might be my favorite thing in the entire kit. I love little tags. And I love that there are different sizes. So you get 2 of each size, and they're all different designs. Again, my favorite, the stars, and that teal one is so pretty too. A stripe, the special delivery, the December, and the hearts. I know those are going to get used by me a lot. Next up we have the Puffy stickers, and these are the Puffy numbers. They come in white and black, and they also include hearts and stars. How awesome are those? I'm so excited about them. These are the Fa La La Puffy stickers, so lots of the same designs you saw on the papers, just in Puffy sticker form. Really awesome. Now if you want more embellishments, you're also going to get these cute wood veneers. My favorite is the candy cane, and I love the word magic. And these acrylics. So you have Twinkle, Fa La La, and then stars and hearts. And last but not least, these beautiful sequins. You get an entire bag here. You can see that there's a lot in there. So I can definitely see myself making a shaker with those. So let's check out the add-ons next. Okay, for the Puffy sticker add-ons, we have the candy cane, the green dipped, and the snow capped, which those are so fun. We also have the Christmas shapes and dots, so those really popular puffies in the same colors as the kit. Next up, we have the On This Day in December tags. These are the same ones that are found in the kit, but you get a lot of them. So if you are really into adding lots of journaling, these are for you. So you have this multi-pack here. This one comes with 2 green, 2 red, 2 black, and 2 gray. So if you want a bit of every color, the multi-pack is for you. You can also get it in just red or just green. So be sure to check those out in the shop. Next up, we have the Christmas phrase stickers. Lots of awesome phrases on here. These are great for filling up little gaps that you wouldn't have anything else to fit in. I always love phrase stickers. And the labels. So we have label stickers. We have the December date labels, and I just need to show you here that your dated stamp fits perfectly in these December date labels. How awesome is that? And then we also have the holiday icon labels. Okay, for the stamps. We have some awesome stamps this year. These are the Christmas seal stamps. So all of these seals would be awesome for addressing your envelopes or putting them on the back of your envelopes or just punching them out with a circle. This is the Oh What Fun stamp. I love the Oh What Fun. That's my favorite. I think I'm going to make a little shipping tag out of that one. Numbers on there are really handy to have too. Next up, we have the acrylic words, and there are a lot this year. So we have Joy, Santa, Merry Christmas, December 2018, and that really pretty 25. Don't forget you can color these with an oil-based ink, so you can make them any color you'd like. That's the great thing about them being white. There's also these acrylic shapes, so lots of fun colors there too. Okay, so we also have these awesome wood veneers. These are the under the tree wood veneers, so trees and presents. And we also have these little gingerbread houses and candies. These are called the Sweet Christmas Treat wood veneers. And last but not least, we have the wood veneer confetti. Little tiny stars and hearts and Christmas trees, and I just love these. They would go really well with the sequins from the kit. So here is the Document December kit this year. Like I said, it is packed full of goodness, you guys. It is so worth the price. If you buy before September 4th, you're going to get 10% off of that price too. So be sure to check it out at the link in my video notes. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating your December memories.